these countries are calling us up, kissing. They are dying to make a deal.
In a sharp escalation of the US-China trade war, Beijing has announced an 84% tariff on all imports from the United States. The retaliatory move comes just hours after President Donald Trump's 104% levy on Chinese goods came into force earlier today. China's Ministry of Finance confirmed that these sweeping tariffs will take effect from 12:01 CST on April 10, accusing the White House of what it called bullying practices and vowing to protect Chinese economic interests. The decision marks the latest dramatic turn in a tit-for-tat tariff exchange that has roiled global markets and stoked fears of a full-blown trade collapse. Meanwhile, the White House has expanded its tariff regime to include over 60 countries deemed the worst offenders on trade. Trump, defending the move, said these nations are now calling up and kissing my A in a bid to renegotiate terms more favorable to the US. The impact was immediate. European markets, already on edge, have taken a steep dive since the announcement. The FTSE 100 in London dropped 3.3%, Germany's DAX fell 4%, and France's CAC 40 is also down by 4%. All eyes are now on US markets, which are set to open shortly. Adding to investor anxiety, Brent crude oil, the global benchmark, has plummeted to below $60 a barrel, marking its lowest level since February 2021. That drop is largely being attributed to reduced global demand and potential strategic moves by Washington to ease domestic energy costs. But lower oil prices come with ripple effects. They influence the cost of fuel, home heating, and the shipping of imported goods, a reality that could soon be felt by consumers worldwide. The global diplomatic fallout is also unfolding. Russia, although not directly impacted by the latest US tariffs, has publicly criticized Washington. Foreign Ministry spokesperson Maria Zakharova accused the US of violating WTO rules, saying America no longer appears to feel bound by the norms of international trade law. Russia has pledged to bolster its economic ties with China, anticipating further instability in US led trade alliances. Meanwhile, the Bank of England and other global financial institutions remain on high alert, bracing for potential knock on effects on inflation, interest rates, and long term investment stability. Stay with us for more updates on this developing story.